Hi guys, this is my grape garden, and I see a few of bundles of green small kind of variety, and these grapevines are widely distributed, and this is the I think it's a sixth year of harvesting, and this is the first year I have this many fruits all through the grapevines. And I can give you a close-up of the grape leaves here, and a bundle of the precious. And here where I live, it's very windy, and I see this is a good time to take a video with the chimes behind. Now I can show you the other side of this garden, where I have the right variety of the grapes, though they are still young, and I'm going towards the right variety. These are all still green, and I'm going to the red after this, after a minute. Right now I'm going through whatever I can show you regarding the green leaves. The way and down, everywhere I look I see a bundle. And this is a solar lamp, and it is dark. I would see that it is all light up. Right now I am turning towards the red kind of grapes, though they are still young. And we don't see much difference right now. Maybe in another 2-3 months this all will grow bigger, and I will let you see another set of videos about the ripe grapes. This is actually the red one when they are at the younger stage. I'm planning to take another video about the grape leaves and what they can cook with the grape leaves too. For now, it's very getting cold, and because of the wind, I will stop here right now. This is all about the grapes I have for this year. A lot of ones, and I'll go much closer to it. What I do is, after planting, I will not disturb the plant, and I will not even check whether they have any roots by plucking it out, but I will make sure that they have enough water by leaving a drip system twice a day. It's set for watering, and all these years, by 6th year, I had this much amount of production, I guess because of the sunlight and the water. This is growing good. I'm happy with this year's productivity. Okay guys, I'll come back to you with another set of video.